Getting started with Apple Calendar.
Apple Calendar is a built-in app on Mac, iPhone, and iPad for organizing events and schedules. Whether you're switching devices, sharing plans, or managing multiple calendars, knowing how to import and export events can save you time and hassle. This guide will walk you through each step to confidently manage your calendars.
What does importing and exporting mean?
Importing means bringing events or entire calendars from another app or file into Apple Calendar. Exporting means saving your Apple Calendar events into a file or different format, often to share or back up your schedule. Both processes use standard calendar files like .ics, making calendar management simple and flexible.
How to export your events.
To export events from Apple Calendar on a Mac, open Calendar, select the calendar you wish to export, and choose File, then Export, and select Export again. Choose a location to save your .ics file. This file can now be shared or imported into other apps. On iPhone and iPad, exporting is more limited and usually requires third-party apps.
How to import events into Apple Calendar.
To import an ICS file on Mac, simply double-click the file or open Calendar, go to File, then Import, and select your ICS file. You'll be asked which calendar to add the events to. On iPhone or iPad, tapping an ICS file in Mail or Files will prompt you to add the events to your calendar.
Tips for a smooth experience.
Always double-check which calendar you are importing to or exporting from, especially if you manage multiple calendars. When exporting, remember that only the chosen calendar's events are included, not your whole account. For bulk transfers or sharing, .ics files are the most compatible choice, working across most calendar platforms.
Wrap up. Managing your calendars.
Importing and exporting an Apple Calendar helps keep your events safe and accessible, whether you're moving to a new device or sharing with others. With these simple steps, you can easily transfer your schedules and stay organized across all your devices.